everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Builds. Today I'm going to be continuing with Pack 10 and stage 78 of the Apache helicopter, and stage 78 is the assembling the support bar and fitting the horizontal, well, it says Stabilizor here but it should be Stabilizor. So with that said, let's make a start. Right guys, we've got these parts here. I've just done an inventory, everything is there. So what we need to do, we need this part here first. Doesn't matter which way parts go in. Then we need this one with a longer lead, and this needs to fit down here like that. And make sure it's lined up with the hole. And that'll be held in with a UP screw. Let's get two of them out. So make sure the hole is lined up. Make sure it's in. Make sure it is tight, but not too tight. Yep. Now we need this part here. Now this is where we need to put these in. Now we need to make sure, because they're both black and red, so we need to try and make sure we get the right ones in. So that one fits in nicely. And that one fits nicely too. I hope that is right. If not, we're going to have a bad time. We'll just double check. Doesn't look right, that. Just doesn't look right. Yeah, was right first time. Just have to double check these things just to be safe. Even though it still doesn't look right, but right, that's gone in, so we need to push that in there somehow. How the hell are we going to do this? I have no idea. So you've got to make sure we don't impede the wire with the screw. Okay, so that's in. Let's hope it works. So we're looking like that. Right, so that's in. Put that to one side. Now the next thing, we need to bring the helicopter over. So I'll just pause while I bring it. Okay, so we've got these two parts here, which will be going either side of the wing. And I need to make sure I fit them in the right way around. Doesn't matter which one you put in, because they're both the same. Take the glasses off so we can see what I'm not doing. So they'll go in here. It's a bit awkward here. That's that one in. And I'll get the other one on this side. And that's that one in. So as you can see, that one there and the other one's on this side as well, but because you can't really see that. So that's on. Now we need the pin that we got, which is this one here. So I'll need to move this up. This will be going through here where the hole is, like that. Now we need the tail fin, and this is the tail fin here. That'll be going on here like so, and this will be going on top. And I hope it fits, because this is a bit awkward. I've got this the right way up. No, I think I've got that the wrong way around. That should be up that way. Yeah, that should be that way. So why won't it fasten down? Got a right hell of a gap there. Right, that's not coming off, and it's on, but it won't fasten down. Ah, got it. That's it. Make sure it's all fastened down. Excellent. That took some persuading. That was tough. Right. So I'm going to put this to one side because we're back on the missiles again. But I'll do them off camera. But the ones I've already done, because we need these two pieces here. And there's quite a lot done in here previously. All these, so I'll put these up like that, and I'll just show you how they go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 8 of the missiles on there. But trying to get them on is a bit awkward. I mean, you don't glue these on. Oh, blimey. Knocking them all off now. Well, you got an idea how they go, like that. And that is stage 78 completed. Okay, stage 79 is building the bottom of the display base, part 5. So we get these parts and we've got to leave them to one side. Get the screws there ready. So I'm going to have to bring the base over. And now the hell I'm going to put it on here is beyond me. And here we are. It's getting bigger and bigger by the minute. So we'll get this on here. We'll put that on here. Need to get that and that in there. And it's a bit awkward. Right, so that's on there like that. And that will be held with 1, 2, 3 RP screws. Get them all out. Get me a big screwdriver. So I'll put one here to start off with. And one up here. And one here. Like so. Move that across. Get the next part, next one on, just there. Like so. Then get this. The corner piece, and we've got one of them, but we don't need it yet. Well, we've got 2 of them actually. Put that in there for them all. And get this screwed. One there. One here. One here. One there, then we get these 2. I'm sure there's supposed to be one here. But there isn't. I'll have to check that in a bit. Put that one there. I forgot what I'm going to put it on. I know you can't see that, but that's gone on there. So I'll get the next one on here. And that is that on. So I'll just move this to one side. Put the spare screw away so we don't lose it. Oh, trying to get them in these bags is a work of art. Put that back in the box. Get these over. That one off. These are the two big ones to go on the front, and the two small ones to go on the back. Like so. Now then, put these two together, even though it says but they need gluing anyway, because they just come off. So just add the glue inside here, like so. That's one side there. Put that on like that. Now we need to put these on the rockets. And just there. Comes out the glue. The glue. So that's one done. The next one. Go in there. That's that one done. And it does say put the decals on, but I'll leave that till after. So that is stage 79 completed. Right guys, that's all I'm doing today, because I've not got many stages left, and I need to make them last until September, to be honest. Pack 11 will be at Peter's next month, but I'll be picking them up in September along with pack 12, and then I can really get stuck into it. It's just a shame I can't do my Titanic at the minute. I mean, it is annoying, but there's not much I can do at the moment. I was going to go Hobbycraft today, but I had to go to Salford. So tomorrow I'll probably go to Hobbycraft instead. I need to get some more builds. Christ knows where I'm going to put them, but I need to keep on doing them. I really need to put sort something out in here, more shelving if I can, and I mean I might change that diorama for World War II, I don't know. Everything needs sorting out in here. I'm running out of room, and I've got shelves up there, but everything just needs sorting, you know, for models and whatever. I've got two big floating shelves there, that's for my Enterprise, and I really need to get stuck into that, but at the minute I haven't got the space to do it yet, because I need to build it over there and hopefully get it done this year, but I can't see it. But it's on hold at the minute. That's why I can only do smaller models. But I'm hoping as well to get, it's like a Lego build, but it's not Lego, of the SR-71 Blackbird, and it's that big, really a big Lego build, even though it's not Lego. Hoping I should get it this week if it's up for sale, and then I can start doing that, even though I'll have to be speeded up as always. So anyway guys, I'm going to get going. Got a few jobs to do, so if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to that notification bell for future videos. So hopefully until tomorrow, if I get any builds, you all stay safe, take care, I'll see you then, bye for now.